Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Today is a beautiful day for a walk in the park.
You are right, Lily. The sun is warm and the grass is very green today.
Look at those flowers over there. They are so bright. Let's walk near the big oak tree.
Wait, Lily, do you hear that? Listen carefully.
I hear a small sound. It sounds like meow, meow.
It is coming from behind that large bush. Let's look.
Oh, Max, look. It is a tiny kitten. It is so small and soft.
It is a beautiful kitten. It has orange fur and white paws.
Hello, little kitten. Are you lost?
It looks very hungry and a little bit scared. Its tail is shaking.
Where is your home, little one? I don't see a collar around its neck.
No collar and no name tag. That is a problem. Someone is probably looking for this kitten.
We cannot leave it here alone. It is too small. The park is very big for a tiny cat.
I agree. Let's take the kitten to my house for now. It is safe there.
I will carry it. It is very light, like a little feather.
Okay, first, the kitten needs food and water.
I have some milk in the fridge, and I have a small bowl.
Look at him eat. He was very hungry. He is much happier now.
Now he is washing his face with his paws. He is very clean.
We need to find the owner. Someone is very sad because their cat is missing.
Let's make a plan. We should make some advertisements. We can call them lost cat posters.
Good idea. We need paper, some colorful markers, and a photo of the kitten.
I will take a photo with my phone right now. Stay still, kitten. Flash.
Okay, what should the poster say?
It should say Found Kitten in big black letters at the top.
Found kitten, orange and white, very friendly and small.
We must add the location. Found in Central Park near the big oak tree.
And my phone number. Please call Max at 555-0123 if this is your cat.
Let's make 10 posters. We can put them on the trees in the park and at the supermarket.
I will also put the photo on the internet. There is a group for lost and found pets in our city.
That is a great idea, Max. The internet is very fast.
Okay, I am posting the photo now. Lost kitten found today. We want to find the owner.
Now, let's go back to the park and hang these posters. We need some tape.
I have the tape. Let's put one here on this lamp post.
And one more near the playground. Many families go there.
I hope the owner sees them soon. I like this kitten, but he belongs to a family.
Max, look. The kitten is sleeping on the sofa. He feels very comfortable.
Lily, someone is calling.
Answer it, Max. Quick.
Hello? Yes, this is Max. Did you lose a kitten?
What are they saying?
Yes, he is orange and white. Yes, we found him near the oak tree. It is a woman. She sounds very happy. She is crying a little bit. Of course! You can come to my house now. Our address is 10 Blue Street.
Is she coming?
Yes, her name is Mrs. Miller. She says the kitten's name is Ginger.
Ginger. That is a perfect name for an orange cat.
She lost him yesterday morning. She looked for him all night.
I am so happy she found our poster.
Doorbell rings. That must be Mrs. Miller.
Hello. Are you Mrs. Miller?
Yes. Oh, thank you for calling me. Is my Ginger here?
Yes, he is right here on the sofa.
Here he is.
Oh, Ginger, my sweet boy. I was so worried about you.
He was a very good kitten. He ate some milk and slept a lot.
Thank you both so much.
We are happy to help. We love animals.
I have a small reward for you. Please take this for your help.
No, thank you, Mrs. Miller. We don't need money. Seeing Ginger go home is the best reward.
We just want Ginger to be safe and happy.
You are wonderful. Ginger, say goodbye to your new friends.
Goodbye, Ginger. Be careful and don't get lost again.
Bye-bye, little friend.
Goodbye. Thank you again.
Look, Max. He is waving his tail. He knows he is going home.
That was a great adventure, Lily. My heart feels very warm now.
Me too. Helping others is the best feeling in the world.
Friends, do you have a pet at home? Do you have a cat or a dog?
What would you do if you found a lost animal in the park?
Tell us your stories in the comments. We love to hear from you.
If you liked our story about Ginger the kitten, please like the video.
And subscribe to our channel for more English stories with Lily and Max.
Every story helps you learn